Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make ribbon sandwich. It's a delicious sandwich where everyone enjoy this in a simple way. Let's get started. In order to make green chutney, I've used half a bunch of cilantro, fresh coriander, one roasted onion, half inch of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, tamarind, half a size of a lemon. Soak and keep in water. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Green chili I've used 3. Sugar 1 tablespoon. Salt half a teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So all these ingredients I'm going to make this in a fine paste without adding any water to it. Also add half cup of grated coconut to the mixture jar together with the other ingredients. Now for the carrot filling I have taken 2 carrot grated. Apply salt. Apply black pepper. Mix it well and leave it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes as this have lot of moisture, guys, you can see. After 15 to 20 minutes, take a muslin cloth and strain the excess juice. So once you remove the excess juice from the carrot, add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of butter. Mix this well. Now keep this aside. This chutney, what you have to do is 1 teaspoon of butter. Mix it and keep it on the side. So guys, for detailed chutney recipe, green chutney recipe, click the link in the description box as it has more than 1 lakh above views. So you can also watch the detailed recipe. Our 2 fillings are ready. This is the third one which I am going to use ham. Now in order to grill the ham, just apply oil. Keep the flame on very low and just slightly give the color. Try check this out. This is ready. Slight color is enough. I will remove this. Let this be on room temperature and we'll start with the sandwich. Apply butter. Now let's start making sandwich. Apply chutney. Spread it all over. A second layer is carrot. The third one is the ham. Fourth, bread also you need to apply butter. Place it on top. I will cut the sides. Check this out. This is how sandwich is made. Now try this recipe at home and you all will enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching and God bless you guys. Thank you very much.